Warning, take these 6 vitamins to keep your legs strong. Have you ever found yourself wondering, why do my legs feel weaker as I age? Do you dream of walking with confidence, climbing stairs effortlessly, or even dancing without hesitation? If this resonates with you, keep watching, because today we're diving into how to maintain strong, healthy legs as you age. Leg strength isn't just about staying mobile. It's directly linked to your independence, balance, and overall quality of life. Weak legs make tasks like getting up from a chair, grocery shopping, or simply enjoying a walk in the park more challenging. But here's the exciting part. You can regain and maintain strong, healthy legs by giving your body the right tools it needs. The secret? Essential vitamins. In this video, we'll cover the 6 key vitamins that are absolutely crucial for your leg's strength and health. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think, and it's never too late to take action. Let's dive in and walk toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Your legs are the foundation of your mobility. They carry you through daily tasks, help you maintain balance, and keep you independent. Think about it. Getting up from your favorite chair, enjoying a walk with your loved ones, or even dancing at a family event all rely on strong legs. But as we age, muscle loss, weaker bones, and joint stiffness can creep in if we're not mindful. It can feel discouraging, but here's the truth. Maintaining leg strength is more achievable than you might think. The right nutrients can make a world of difference in keeping your legs strong and resilient as you age. So what should you do? Let's take the first step by talking about these 6 powerful vitamins that keep your legs healthy. First on our list is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. It's crucial for your leg health because it helps your body absorb calcium, which strengthens your bones, reducing the risk of fractures or falls. Without enough vitamin D, bones can become fragile and muscle weakness can set in. This is particularly important for elderly individuals, as the risk of falling increases with age. Vitamin D works like a guard, keeping your leg bones strong and your muscles functioning well. How to get vitamin D? Spend some time outside. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight a few times per week can help. Add vitamin D-rich foods to your diet, like salmon, egg yolks, or fortified cereals. If needed, consult your doctor about supplements to bridge the gap. Vitamin K plays a starring role in bone health by helping your body produce proteins that support stronger bones. It also prevents bone mineral loss, which is vital for keeping your legs strong enough to carry you wherever you want to go. How to get vitamin K? Incorporate leafy green vegetables into your meals. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are nutrient powerhouses loaded with vitamin K to enhance your bone density. Pro tip, try steaming your greens rather than boiling to retain their nutrients. A hearty spinach salad or a green smoothie is a quick, excellent way to get your vitamin K dose. Vitamin C might be most famous for protecting your immune system, but did you know it's a champion for your joints too? This vitamin helps your body produce collagen, which keeps your connective tissues, muscles, and cartilage in great shape. As we age, joints often feel stiff or achy. Vitamin C can support healthy joints and repair tissue, allowing your legs to move with greater ease. How to get vitamin C? Load up on colorful fruits and veggies. Oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwis are all fantastic sources. Better yet, a fruit salad or a refreshing smoothie can provide a delicious vitamin C boost. Moving on, let's talk about vitamin E, the antioxidant powerhouse that helps improve blood circulation and assists with muscle recovery. Without proper blood flow to your legs, they can feel weak or cramped. Vitamin E ensures your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform at their best. How to get vitamin E? Enjoy nuts, seeds, and avocados. Snack on almonds, sprinkle sunflower seeds on your salad, or enjoy avocado toast for a delicious, nutrient-packed meal. The B vitamins, including B12 and B6, are vital for keeping your legs strong. They help your body produce red blood cells, delivering oxygen to your muscles. These vitamins also support energy production, which is essential for preventing leg fatigue and muscle weakness. As we age, it's common to have a vitamin B12 deficiency, which can lead to muscle weakness and even balance issues. It's important to address this to maintain leg strength. How to get B vitamins. Include eggs, dairy, bananas, and whole grains in your diet. For some, supplementation may be necessary, so ask your doctor to check your B12 levels. Although calcium and magnesium aren't vitamins, they deserve an honorary mention. Together, they work to strengthen bones, improve muscle function, and reduce leg cramps. Magnesium helps your muscles relax after activity and prevents stiffness, while calcium ensures your bones stay strong and sturdy. How to get calcium and magnesium. Calcium. Add dairy products like milk, yogurt, or cheese to your meals. Plant-based options like fortified almond milk or tofu are also great. Magnesium. Eat nuts, seeds, spinach, and legumes to get your share. Consider this duo as your secret weapon to maintaining both strength and flexibility in your legs. Now that you know the importance of these 6 vitamins, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your everyday life seamlessly. Start with small, manageable changes. Maybe you add a handful of nuts to your snack routine or incorporate a leafy green veggie into your lunch. Smoothies, fortified cereals, and meal prep snacks are effective and easy ways to increase your vitamin intake without stress. If you're concerned about gaps in your diet, don't hesitate to consult your doctor about supplements. Your doctor or a nutritionist can guide you towards supplements that fit your specific health needs. Remember, you don't have to change everything overnight. The goal is gradual improvement. Every step counts. Healthy legs aren't just about nutrition. It's about moving them too. Here are a couple of helpful tips to boost your leg strength and overall mobility. Regular exercise. Incorporate simple weight-bearing exercises like walking, light resistance training, or climbing stairs. These activities keep your muscles active and your bones strong. Stretching and flexibility. Gentle activities like yoga or daily stretching reduce stiffness and improve your range of motion. They also help prevent injuries and keep your joints in great shape. By combining a nutrient-rich diet with consistent physical activity, you'll be amazed at how quickly you'll start to feel stronger and more energetic. It's natural to feel overwhelmed or question whether you're too late to start making changes. But here's the truth. It's never too late to take charge of your well-being. Every positive change, no matter how small, adds up. Think of your legs as your steadfast partners in life. They're there for you every step of the way, literally. So why not nourish them, strengthen them, and show them care? With the right vitamins and a proactive mindset, you can walk toward a healthier, stronger you. Now it's time to take action. What's one step you'll take today to invest in your leg strength? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips. Share this video with friends or family who might benefit from learning about these essential vitamins. Together, let's spread the message of good health and vitality. Remember, strong, healthy legs are the foundation of a fulfilling, independent life. Take the first step today. You deserve it. Thank you for watching, and here's to a future where every step counts. You've got this.